Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Bitcoin wallet application on your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. Start by tapping open your Bitcoin wallet application from your app drawer. From the first interface of Bitcoin, you can log into your account with your Google account, so tap on Sign in with Google. Now, choose an account from where you'd like to log into your account, or you can also add another account if you want. Type in your credentials in the text box. You can either enter your email or your phone number. Once you're done, tap Next. Now, go ahead and enter your password for your account. Once you're done, tap on Next. Wait for a few seconds. After you sign into your Google account, you should allow Bitcoin wallet to access to your Google account. Scroll all the way down and tap on Allow. And with this, you'll be able to log into Bitcoin wallet. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.